Hey friends. I got this little wagon given to me. And it's just darling. It's got the little handle. It actually rolls. But I am not going to do anything to it because it's just absolutely beautiful the way it is. But I'm going to plant it full of herbs. And I think I'm going to give it to my mom because she loves that little stuff like that. So I'm just taking my herbs and stuff out here. I don't need to put any tags in for her because she knows what these all are. We're going to trim these up. And I'm just going to start putting this in here. Just like so. I got some lemon balm. I'm going to trim these dead leaves off of it. It doesn't hurt to trim it. Okay. Right in there. This is going to be too cute. Okay, now I'm going to also put, where is it? That's lemon balm. You know, I think this is spearmint because it smells minty. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to put one of these in here too. She'll love that. I'm going to put a sage in here. Yeah, I could put a lovage in there too. She'll like that. Maybe. Might not be deep enough for that. Nope, it's not going to be deep enough for the lovage. So we're going to take that out. That'll have to go in a bigger one. We got that parsley. We can put more flat leaf parsley in here. It'll be deep enough for that. We're going to put a pansy in here. Probably a couple of them. Because that lemon balm will spread all over, so I don't want it too big. Did I get basil? No, put a pansy in here. Then I'll put a basil in there. Basil plant. All right, now I'll fill it in. Okay. Isn't that cute? I just love that. I want this a little closer to the edge. Okay. Now we're also going to put, and I know this is just starting, but I'm also going to put some piece of scarlet kale in there. And it's my own that I started from seed. So do very well. Just leave that in there. One over here. That kale would be gorgeous, so I got that. I gave her a thing of mint, so this will, she's got sage, she's got curly parsley, flat leaf parsley. The lovage is too big. She's got basil, pansies. Isn't that darling? How do you like that? I'll take a picture of that and post that picture, but that, friends, is cute.